The back-striped weasel, also called the stripe-backed weasel, is a weasel found in Southeastern Asia that is listed as least concern by IUCN in view of its wide distribution, presumed large population, occurrence in a number of protected areas, apparent tolerance to some degree of habitat modification and hunting pressure. Characteristics. The back-striped weasel is distinguished from all other mustela species by the presence of a narrow, silvery dorsal streak extending from the occiput almost to the root of the tail, with a corresponding yellowish ventral streak from the chest along the abdomen. The general color of the dorsal surface varies from deep to paler chocolate brown, sometimes a little paler on the head and usually slightly darkened along the side of the dorsal streak. The tail and limbs are of the same hue as the back. The upper lip from the rhinarium, the chin and the throat up to the level of the ears are pale, varying from whitish to ochreous. On the hind throat and forechest, the pale hue gradually narrows in extent, and is quite narrow between the forelegs, where it passes into the ventral stake, which expands on the inguinal region between thighs. The pads of the feet are well developed, the plantards being four-lobed, with the area around them entirely naked. The bushy tail is rather long, being more than half the length of the head and body. The length of head and body of males is 30 to 36 centimeters, while the tail length is 18 to 20 centimeters. A live captured juvenile male was estimated to weigh only 700 grams. Distribution and habitat. The occurrence of the stripe-backed weasel has been confirmed from scattered localities in and around northeastern India, northern and central Myanmar, southern China, northern Thailand, northern and central Laos and Vietnam at an altitude range from sea level to 2,500 meters. In India, it has been recorded from Dampa in 1994 and in Namdapha National Park. Ecology and Behavior. Little has been recorded of this weasel's habitats and habits. It has been found in a wide variety of habitats, and it is not yet possible to define its habitat needs. Specimens collected came from dense hill jungle, hill evergreen forest, disturbed evergreen forest, lower montane evergreen forest and lowland evergreen forest. Most field sightings were in daylight. In the Naga Hills, one was seen fighting with a large bandicoot rat.